welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video we are going to be doing a unboxing video. I got the Dr. Mings Tea, and I am super excited because I've seen this all over my social media. They have 5 stars, so you guys know I gotta jump on the trend and try out these amazing teas. So yes, I am gonna unbox, show you all the goodies. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yes, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. I already cut it open, but I have not seen what's in here. So let's go ahead and open this package together because I'm telling you guys, I've been seeing this everywhere and I'm super excited to try these teas out. I've been a person that loves teas. Like, I love teas at night, in the morning, like anything to help with helping my energy, my metabolism, like anything that detoxifies my body. Like, those are like my favorite teas, and that's what this tea claims to help you with. So I'm super excited to try it out. So let's go ahead and jump into what we got. So the first one that I see we have is the pineapple tea. This is an organic herb. It helps millions of people around the world. I thought this is so nice. I love anything pineapple, so I'm excited to try this flavor out. It looks so good. So I got 2 of those. Okay, so next we have the herbal tea. I'm excited to try this one. I'm gonna be leaving the list of the ingredients here. These look so good. Like, they sound good. I got 2 of those. And then the next one I got is the sleeping one. This is gonna be good for the nighttime, just so you can relax and like be in a good mood right before bed. I'm excited to try this one. And then I do have a special treat here. I have the Bistro 2 mug set. Like, ooh, I'm excited to do my teas. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepare it and everything in the next clip. But I love this. This is so cute. I wanted to let you guys know what is my goal on drinking these tea. I wanted to help with detoxifying the body. I love to detoxify the body because, you know, we eat so much stuff, good and bad, depending on your diet. But I love to detoxify the body, get rid of the bad toxins in my body. I like to help it helps with the waist. Like, if you want to slim down on the waist, it's gonna help you with that, and your metabolism, the energy. Like, I need that energy. I have 2 kids, so I have to stay going. Like, I'm always on the move, and I need that boost of energy. I know this tea is gonna help me with that because I've heard so many good reviews on it. So today is day 1 of me taking the tea. I'm gonna show you guys in the next clip how I do my tea and how to prepare it, and then in 30 days I'm gonna be coming back and showing you guys my results and how I feel and my honest review 30 days from now. So I'm excited. Today's day 1. We're gonna get it started, and yeah, I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and jump in to the next clip.